Yeah, hello guys. Welcome today, and today we are going to review the Hitachi AC. So this is one of the specific model which I brought last year, December 2024. So it's been like exactly 1 year now, and the AC is giving some fault now. So like today I called the Hitachi technician, and they informed me like there is a coil leak and all the gas has been leaked. And what is disappointing is like it's not even being like close to 1 year, and the AC is having problem. So this is the specific model which I'm showing you over here. So I asked the technician like how much it will cost to replace the coils. Like he estimated it to be around like 15K. So I brought this AC for 41K from Croma, and 15K is too much to replace the coil, and I'm not sure like what is Hitachi is doing like manufacturing their ACs. So he also said me like nowadays like Hitachi is manufacturing without giving a copper coating in the coil properly. So this is happening frequently to other customers as well. So I'll just show you the model in the Croma website. And this particular AC has been discontinued now, but there is a upgraded version of this particular brand. So just think twice before you're buying Hitachi, because I didn't face any issues with the other ACs. Like I have Mitsubishi, I have O General, and other two brands as well. But this specific brand is giving me issues. I did have Hitachi like AC in my other house. Like it was working till 20 years. So based on that only, I just came again and brought the Hitachi. So this is an inverter AC, but right now it's very disappointing. Like the AC has become faulty. So I'll just show you the model, specific model, guys. So this is the invoice of my bill, and this is the Hitachi AC which I brought from Croma. So it is the inverter 1.5 ton AC, and it's close to 42K, which I brought on December 2024. And if you just look at the Croma website, and this is the particular AC which I brought, 5400, and this has been discontinued as I mentioned before, because it has been 1 year and they have upgraded to a newer model now, which is 5500. So this is the upgraded version of the previous model. So this AC is close to 41 290. And what is so disappointing is like it's been close to 1 year, and right now the AC is not working properly. There is a coil leak, and there is no proper chill in the AC. So as mentioned by the technician, like it would take around like 15K to replace the coil. So, but I got to know like one more thing. Like we can do a welding for the coil, like with a local vendor outside who's working or repairing all these ACs. So I just got to know from him like it would take around like 5 or 6K to fix this, to do a proper weld, and to refill the gas. So, and also the customer service is very poor. Like I didn't get any proper response from them. Like they're not even considering. Like only thing they are mentioning is like we need to replace the whole coil, no other go. Uh, so what I'm trying to say is like Hitachi was once a very good brand like 15 to 20 years back, but right now their reputation is very low. Like all their ACs are faulty. I'm not sure like what to say. It's quite disappointing. So think twice like before buying any ACs related to Hitachi. I'm not sure like how other ACs are working. If you face any similar issues with Hitachi, please post it in the comments. Thank you.